So, hello everyone. I am Kaushal Prajapati and with my team members Mano, Atharva and Akshat, and we are demonstrating you our project Documind, a AI-powered platform which helps to generate documentation of project data code base. So the main problem in the project development life cycle is to maintain the documentation. Around 30 to 40% time of each developer goes to generate maintaining the documentation like the test case generation, architecture diagrams, and the Swagger files. Manual maintenance of uh, complex code base leads to the some inefficiency and creates some disturbance to the developer, and if there is some delay happens to maintaining the documentation, that leads to the inconsistency and creates some error which it creates uncertainty to understand the project for other developers. So we are solving this problem by automating the document generation using the AI agents, where we have used the agent development kit of the Google. And now Atharva will represent the architecture diagram of our project.
Okay, so the architecture, whenever so basically a developer will sign in onto the front end so that we can get the token for the particular repository. And then whenever a developer raises a PR on the particular source control repository, it will trigger a cloud function which will send the diff of that changes to our backend server. The backend server will give the uh, diffs to the dispatcher. The dispatcher will delegate the tasks to particular agents like test case agent, diagram agent, and Swagger agent. The agents will, using the tools that they have regarding the Git or GitLab, and for vector search, the vector database, which stores the code of our repository. They will generate diffs for those particular files and they'll return the diffs to the consolidator. The consolidator will update the expected files and put a commit request to that particular branch in the same PR, which can be then reviewed by the developer and pushed to the particular branch. So whenever a particular agent receives the diffs, it will plan its actions. It will look at what files it requires from the Git. It will get those files and see if the context is enough or if it has to fetch more files. For more context, it can also fetch code from the vector DB. Whenever it is satisfied, it will generate the required diff and then it will give the output to the consolidator. Now we'll see what cost we are seeing for this particular agent. Based on our research and testing, we are expecting 500k tokens for the input, which is basically the PR diffs that we get from the Git. And for the output that is generated, we are expecting 100k tokens. And for the text embeddings, that is the vector DB, we are expecting 10,50,000 characters. That sums up to a total of $116 per month approximately. So that is around $23 per developer. So based on our estimates, we are estimating a saving of around $1,600 per month per developer. That makes a net benefit of around $1,576. And regarding the future scope, once this is in the final stages, this can be also elevated to do automated code reviews or maintain model consistencies across the repository and many other such tasks which will ease the developer's burden for non-coding related activities. Thank you.